And I'm being very honest and very candid. And my lord, regarding the other part, my lord, we'll vacate the premises. We require some breathing time, my lord. We have been staying with our families there. We require some time. We'll put an undertaking.
By this week, we will give.
We'll give an undertaking by this week as to how long we'll, my lord, take to vacate. My lord, we have been living with our children, family.
The demolition program has been scheduled for 14th, 15th, and 16th.
How big is the construction?
+1.
G+1.
G plus 1.
+3 hai.
G,
Sorry. I'll take in. G+2.
He who is responsible for making construction.
yes.
We had raised certain points. The division bench felt, the honorable division bench felt that this point having not been raised before your lordship,
Whatever.
that appeal has
is-
been dismissed.
Yes, thing is that the person could raise a three-storied building and now he does not have the money.
5 times it has been, my lord, admittedly, my lord, attempted to be demolished. My lord,
If it is an unauthorized construction, it will.
of course, my lord, I cannot, my lord, argue that. But kindly, my lord, I'm begging before your lordship, my lord, regarding the cost portion. It is not possible. My lord, kindly, my lord, kindly. It's a, my lord, mercy.
The
Not-
costs
For
as
Two
a deterrent.
times.
It is primarily as a deterrent
My lord,
to
kindly,
set
my lord,
up an example
No,
that these
no,
things
you're
will
not
not be.
people. My lord, kindly. I'm begging before your lordship. My lord, no. I wouldn't have pestered your lordship. My lord, these persons, they're really, my lord,
Some amount of cost has to be deposited.
my lord, I leave it to your lordship's mercy, my lord. Question, as well as, my lord, they are brothers and sisters. The brother is before your lordship. My lord, he is personally present. The sisters are also here. My lord, they have expressed, my lord, to us that please request the honorable judge that it is impossible for them to, my lord, make any payment. Because, my lord, in any event, they have to vacate. My lord, we carried an
These
appeal
are-
from your
this-
lordship's order. Your lordship's order was not interfered with in appeal. We carried an appeal, my lord, from your lordship's order before.
If it is not interfered, why will the court look into it?
Now the issue is, my lord, only the portion of the cost, and, my lord, we will, my lord, kindly give us some breathing time so that we
My
can
lord,
vacate, my lord, that.
Demolition is still carrying on till today. Tomorrow it will be continued. This is the police
My
report.
lord, on the demolition part, I cannot have any statement. I cannot make. My lord, I am only seeking 2 things, my lord, as of now. Rather, my lord, that is my prayer. One is, my lord, kindly, my lord, waive the cost, or, my lord, a token, my lord, amount, my lord, something, my lord, no, 1 lakh is impossible for. My lord, I'm being very honest and very candid. And, my lord, regarding the other part, my lord, we'll vacate the premises. We require some breathing time, my lord. We have been staying with our families there. We require some time. We'll put an undertaking.
By this week, we will give.
We'll give an undertaking by this week as to how long we'll, my lord, take to vacate. My lord, we have been living with our children, family.
My lord, the demolition program has been scheduled for 14th, 15th, and 16th.
How big is the construction?
+1.
G+1.
G plus 1.
+3 hai.
G,
I'll take in. G+2.
G plus 2.
1 floor has already been demolished.
And the petitioners are the person responsible for making construction.
Owner, he is the owner. Kausar Varsi is the owner.
no,
Who is the
It's a
person?
Thika land. It's a Thika land. My lord, admittedly, we had argued this point before the honorable division bench. I'm indicating to your lordship,
He is the petitioner, the Thika tenant or the Bharatiya?
Thika tenant.
He is the Thika tenant. So it is he who is responsible for making construction.
yes.
We had raised certain points. The division bench felt, the honorable division bench felt that this point having not been raised before your lordship,
Whatever.
that appeal has been dismissed.
Yes, thing is that the person could raise a three-storied building and now he does not have the money for payment of costs.
My lord, 5 times it has been, my lord, admittedly, my lord, attempted to be demolished. My lord,
If it is an unauthorized construction, it will be demolished.
My lord, there, of course, my lord, I cannot, my lord, argue that. But kindly, my lord, I'm begging before your lordship, my lord, regarding the cost portion. It is not possible. My lord, kindly. It's a, my lord, mercy.
The
Lord,
costs is imposed
for a
only
different
to
reason, my lord,
act
for
as a deterrent.
2 times.
It is primarily as a deterrent
My lord,
to
kindly,
set
my lord,
up an example that these things will
your
not be
lordship will
tolerated.
do it with some big promoter, not with these people. Kindly. I am begging before your lordship. No, I wouldn't have pestered your lordship. These persons, they really,
Three-story building.
সব বলা যাবে না, সব sympathy কথা বলা না।
Yes.
Yes, that is what I inquired. 3-storied building.
Kindly, it's a humble request to your lordship. And I'll put an undertaking, Mr.
No, undertaking is all right. Some amount of cost has to be deposited.
I leave it to your lordship's mercy, the cost is token, kind. Here, it's not a deterrent, I understand what is passing through your lordship's mind and what prompted your lordship to pass the cost, the order for cost, because on the first occasion when the writ petition was moved, the first writ petition, there was no imposition of cost. We came to your lordship's cost, in a hurry, having not carried an appeal from the first order. Having not carried an appeal from the first order, we came to your lordship, disturbed your lordship at a threshold, when the demolition was again taking place.
Second time this.
Second, and that therefore your lordship was persuaded to order cost. Kindly, I also tried my level best, so that the division bench.
Pay 50,000 at least. And this will be going to the greenery purpose, not for anything
whatever
else.
purpose, 50,000 is, I'm begging. I am begging, I am begging.
Otherwise, let him go to jail. Let something be done.
No, my instructing advocate, my learned friend says, as a mercy, if once for all, 20,000, is all right. 20,000, he'll try to arrange, as a mercy, kindly. My learned friend said, kindly, kindly.
The order passed by this bench on 3rd of May 2024
I've handed over to your lordship the
Was-
division bench's order.
carried in appeal being MAT 887 of 2024 plus IA number CAN/1/2024. And the Honorable Division Bench, by order dated 9th of May 2024, was pleased to dismiss the appeal and the connected application. Stop. Next. Learned counsel representing the petitioner
Dano.
prays mercy and seeks waiver of the costs directed to be paid. Video order dated 3rd of May 2024. Stop. It has been submitted that with great difficulty, the petitioner may be able to pay a sum of rupees 20,000 only. Stop. Next. Let the amount of 20,000 be paid in the office of the Registrar High Court, Calcutta. Registrar General, High Court, Calcutta. By 21st of May 2024. Stop. An undertaking shall be filed by the petitioner on the adjourned date, mentioning the time period within which the subject structure will be vacated. Stop. Next. Report filed by the Iqbalpur Police Station, mentioning that the demolition program
Third page, my lord. First paragraph.
has been scheduled on 14th May, 15th May and 16th May 2024
These 3 days, kindly.
be retained with the records.
These 3.
Yes?
Coming back to your lordship with the undertaking, at least these 3 days,
No, the top portions will be demolished. Yes.
Kindly indicate in your lordship's order.
List on.
Kindly indicate the
22nd.
demolition part, what has just now fallen,
Me. Yes.
proportion. ছেড়ে যা-
No leniency to these type of people. Just no.
That's right.
I'm grateful. I'm grateful, my lord, for reducing the cost.